I am at a hidden gem in West Linn, the McLean House, and I'm with Mike, who's one of the board members here of the Friends, aren't you?
Yes, been here for about 25 years.
Yeah, this is just a beautiful place. Tell us where it is.
Well, it's in West Linn, Oregon, and it's in the Clackamas County. And it's been here since 1922. And Dr. McLean purchased the property, and then he built this beautiful 17-room house, finished it in 1927. So he had quite a time. He was a physician in Oregon City, but he handled full Clackamas County, and that's the beauty of what it is. He also started the HMO kind of theme for this county.
When? Wow,
yeah.
Way back when. And really, his family lived here, raised his children here.
5 kids here, and there's room for them. 70 rooms, and we rent and have weddings and business meetings here, and a lot of outdoor gardening, and it's quite a unique place. It's very hidden, though. A lot of people don't know about it.
Well, that's why we're here today, and it's so nice because it's part of the park system here in West Linn. So really, if you're walking around, you can come and enjoy the gardens and these woodlands around here.
One thing about West Linn, it does have parks. This happens to be the historical park and building, and it had an indigenous population way back when, and then Hugh Burns came, and he was a pioneer. He was a blacksmith, and he started a ferry across the Willamette over to Oregon City.
Wow.
And Hugh Burns was kind of man, and then he plotted this property, and then Dr. McLean, so it had the indigenous population, Hugh Burns, and then Dr. McLean, and then the Friends of the McLean House.
Right.
And that's something that we're putting on a gala this coming Saturday.
So tell us a little bit about that, because you need to support this, you need some funds, and so you're having some fun going on.
This is FUN. This is something else. We have people making crepes. We have the Riverview Lions doing pumpkin pies. We have Bosque Dell bringing over her native plants. We have petal heads.
Oh, great.
It's a unique kind of exotic nursery. That's something you have to come and see. And then there's going to be music. We may have a jazz band. We have music back on from Jim Beatty. He's
oh, wow.
He's
very well known.
Jim Beatty just passed away, but we were going to have his music running in the background. And there's just my children activity. You have a toilet paper roll and some potting soil and a seed, and you're in.
Oh, we love children projects, so that's great that you get the gardeners in that. And then also a raffle and a silent auction to really help support this place.
The raffle is fairly good because it's only $5 a ticket, but if you win, $25 to maybe $300.
Wow.
So that range, you should get a couple of tickets, maybe 5 will help.
So Mike, how do we find out about this? Where do we get all this information?
The website is www, and that's McLeanhouse.org. And it'll give you a lot of information about the gala, but a lot of the other activities we have. We have Solve Week coming up. That's Earth Day, and it's our day to kind of clean up here. And then we're going to go to the West Linn Park and Recreation. They're having an appreciation dinner over at Mary S. Young Court. There's about 6 parks that are participating in this. Really.
And really, you depend on a lot of volunteers. So if you want to get involved in the volunteer aspect of this, go to the website too, and you can find out ways to help out.
Absolutely. You can put your hands in the dirt, or they had one last year. It's called Wine and Weed. It's very interesting.
Hey, that's the way to get them in.
Right.
Well, thank you, Mike. And for more information, please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website. You get all that information to come out here for all the fun going on.
See you there.